And we are back on the WHHI-TV Daily News. It is Heart Month, and we are talking about blood pressure today. And here to help us learn about that and a special program that the library is offering is Ansley Howze. She is the Executive Director of the American Heart Association Southern Coast, and Theresa Furbish, who is a librarian with the Beaufort County Library System. So thank you both for being here today. What a great resource. Tell us about this program.
Absolutely. So we have been thrilled to partner with the library on bringing this program to life. So I'll let you share a little bit more about how that's kind of come to fruition.
Yeah, of course. So this is the kit. It's right here. So inside of each kit has a blood pressure monitor and more information about how to take your blood pressure. So February is actually a very special month and was the reason for the launch of this because it is Heart Health Awareness Month, right. But it's also with libraries, Library Lovers Month. Okay. So it was a match made in heaven when the American Heart Association came to us with this opportunity.
Yeah.
So all you need is a library card and you can actually check out the kit for 2 weeks.
Okay.
And you have the potential to check it out for another 2 weeks, and then if you really need it longer, another 2 weeks.
Interesting. Okay. Like I said before, what a great resource. So talk to us a little bit about why this is important. Obviously, blood pressure is a topic that we talk about a lot, and a lot of people have high blood pressure. So why is this so important?
Yeah, that number is really staggering. It's 1 in 3 that have been told by their doctor in South Carolina that they have high blood pressure. And we know that that number is even higher with people who don't realize that they have undiagnosed high blood pressure. Yeah. And so it's really important that we're addressing that head on. High blood pressure is the silent killer. It's one of the leading causes of heart disease and stroke. And so we are passionate about it at the American Heart Association and thrilled that we can partner to bring it to our local community in a way that they can self-monitor at home, because that's the big piece of it. Is we know oftentimes people are checking their blood pressure when they go to the doctor, but they're not looking at their blood pressure aside from that. And so it's really important to be self-monitoring and checking blood pressure, throughout a normal day and throughout just normal life too, to kind of see what that resting blood pressure is, maybe when you're stressed or have worked out, to kind of see how it changes as well.
Right. Yeah. So when you have that 2 week period, or even the 4 week as we were talking about, you can kind of see how that is going along.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And 1 in 3. That's a huge number, a really huge number. So what does somebody do if they do have high blood pressure, or if they think they might, or if they decide to check this out and they think, that's higher than I thought it was. What's next?
Absolutely. So getting in touch with their doctor is the next step. That really is an important piece of everything. Everyone's high blood pressure is unique to them, and so that medication plan or care plan is unique to them as well. So connecting with their doctor are next steps when that happens. Obviously, if high blood pressure is high enough where it's causing an emergency, calling 911, especially if there's a cardiac emergency or a stroke. So making sure that they are just advocating for themselves in the doctor's office and being able to take what they've written down from testing their blood pressure to the doctor as well.
Yeah. And so are these kits in all of the Beaufort County libraries?
Yes, they are in every single physical library location, as well as both of our bookmobiles.
Okay.
So wherever you are in Beaufort County, you can check one out.
Is it something we can call ahead and say, hey, are they in stock right now? Or because I'm thinking this is going to be pretty popular.
Oh, I think so, for sure. You can call the library, and if they have one available, they can let you know. And hopefully you're just about 5 minutes around the corner, so you can come grab it, because it is going to be a hot commodity.
It is, for sure. So just back a little bit to the high blood pressure and what people should know about it. Is there a place where they can go to get more information?
Absolutely. Heart.org has a lot of great resources from the American Heart Association that address blood pressure and all of the other factors that lead to cardiovascular disease and stroke. So a lot of great information there, and some great information in the kit as well that really tells them about tracking it. And so we're just thrilled to have this opportunity. It's been funded by the Community Foundation of the Lowcountry and Raymond James. And so we're looking to grow it too as we can to make it more available to everyone.
Excellent. Well, as I said before, several times already today, what a great resource, and thank you for sharing about it with us, ladies. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
And there's more to come, so stay tuned.